So, good day. I am Jana Ilham A. Akraman, and my topic is all about the teaching strategies in English used by male and female teachers in Mindanao State University main campus. So, language serves as a tool of communication that helps human beings the need to interact as social beings who cannot survive alone. So language plays a vital function in regard to human existence. We can socialize with others without language. So most of the time, language reflects society. People always interact with each other in social situations by employing language. Language allows members of a society to communicate and express themselves to others because of its role. People can share their opinion, sentiments, arguments, and objectives through language in order to achieve peace and unity. English is a universal or international language as used by people all over the world. The significance of English cannot be underestimated. In several fields, English has played a significant role. Nowadays, English is used in all aspects of education and non-education. So, according to Tarun 2013, a large percentage of the world language learners study English in order to develop proficiency in speaking and writing. So Eckert and McConnell 2003 found that many studies show significant differences in the verbal behavior of male and female. Therefore, linguistically, their differences will appear concerning the features of language that they use. So, in my research questions, this attempts to answer the following. Number one, what are the different teaching strategies used by teachers in teaching English? And number two, how do male and female teachers of Mindanao State University main campus employ teaching strategies in English? In my theoretical framework, this presents the theories relevant to the study, which includes first, the strategy inventory for language learning, or the SILL by Oxford 1990. Second, the cognitivist theory provided by Piaget 1936. And third, the behaviorist theory provided by Skinner 1968. So, in the methodology, this discusses and identifies the research design, research locale, participants of the study, instruments of the study, procedure, and methods of data analysis. So, first is in the research design. The qualitative research approach or the quasi-statistics will be applied in this study to analyze the strategies among male and female teachers teaching English online at Mindanao State University main campus in the Philippines. So, the data that will be gathered will be through the three theories, namely the strategy inventory for language learning or the SILL by Oxford 1990, cognitivist theory provided by Piaget 1936, and behaviorist theory provided by Skinner 1968. So through this, the researcher will be able to apply and examine the teaching strategies which will be used by male and female teachers teaching English online. So a formula will also be used as one of the bases in finding the frequency, where the percent is equals to the percentage, the F is equals to frequency, and the N is equals to the number of cases. In the setting, this will be conducted at Mindanao State University main campus, Marawi City, Lanao del Sur in the academic year 2021 to 2022. So in the participants of the study, this will be from the College of Social Sciences and Humanities or the CSSH, specifically from the English department. So the college students that are currently enrolled in the BAES or the Bachelor's of Arts in English Language Studies will be selected because the researchers believe that the participants who are BAES students are aware or have enough knowledge of the teaching strategies used by male and female teachers teaching English online. Thus, they will be able to help in accomplishing the goals or the aims of this study. Just like the study of Izzy and Suku 2013, the research population consists of students in grade 8 and up. So in the 2010 to 2011 academic year, pupils from Ministry of National Education schools in Nev Sahir province. So a total of 542 pupils made up the study's random sample. As the data collection instrument, Oxford's 1990 Inventory for Language Learning, the strategy inventory for language learning, was used in order to determine the language learning profiles of students. So Sesser and Fair 2007 conducted Turkish adaptation of Oxford's 1990 the SILL or the Strategy Inventory for Language Learning, and they were able to check with validity and reliability of the Turkish form, which resulted in high validity. In the research instrument, this will be used or this will use the survey questionnaire and the Likert scale questionnaire. So specifically, the Likert scale questionnaire will be based on the SILL by Oxford 1990. So this system will be classified into strategies or will be classified into 6 groups: memory strategies, cognitive strategies, compensatory strategies, metacognitive strategies, affective strategies, and social strategies, which in the social strategies are only 5 statements. The rest are 10 statements, and they are a total of 50 statements. So the research will use the Likert 5 scale model in the questionnaire. So the scale ranges from 1 to 5, never, which is 1, rarely, which is 2, sometimes, which is 3, usually, which is 4, always, which is 5. So this will be provided in order to determine the different strategies used by male and female teachers teaching English online in Mindanao State University main campus. In data gathering procedure, the strategy inventory for language learning or the SILL by Oxford 1990 will be used. Since online platforms are used, the survey questionnaires will be uploaded in Google Forms and will also be uploaded on Facebook. So, according to Bedasa 2014, social networking sites like Facebook are among the most well-known and widely used platforms on the internet. So the researcher will include the target participants from the students who are enrolled at Mindanao State University main campus. Moreover, the research will only give a specific ample of time to answer the survey questionnaires that will be provided in Google Forms and on Facebook. Then after that, the researcher will then gather all the data that will be answered by the participants. In data analysis procedure, in order to determine and analyze the teaching strategies of male and female students teaching English in Mindanao State University main campus, the researcher will make use of the frequency and percentage formula. So, strategy inventory for language learning or the SILL by Oxford 1990 will be used. So, system will be classifying strategies into 6 groups: memory strategies, cognitive strategies, compensatory strategies, metacognitive strategies, affective strategies, and social social strategies, and a total of 50 statements, which in these social strategies is only 5 statements. So the researcher will use Likert 5-scale model in the questionnaire. So this scale ranges from 1 to 5, in which never is equals to 1, rarely is equals to 2, sometimes is equals to 3, usually is equals to 4, and always is equals to 5. So using the strategy inventory for language learning, or the SILL, by Oxford 1990, the researcher will also be able to determine and identify the teaching strategies used by male and female teachers teaching English online. So all data that will be collected will be counted according to gender, using a frequency count as one of the bases, wherein the percent is equals to percentage, F is equals to frequency, N is equals to number of cases. Furthermore, the researchers selected MSU as the study location since it is more accessible. But due to the pandemic, there will be a high chance that the data will be collected online, because majority of Mindanao State University students engage in online learning and social media sites. So the researcher decides that switching to online survey questions will be more beneficial. So that would be all, and thank you for watching.